Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Wednesday, February 12, 2025, covering market moves in tech, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes showed mixed performance today. The Nasdaq 100 rose 25.74 to 21,719.26. While the Nasdaq Composite added 6.9 to 19,649.95. The technology sector dipped 2.16 to 4,583.24, and the healthcare sector fell 1.90 to 1,698.84, marking its fifth consecutive down day. Market breadth was generally positive across tech sectors. The Nasdaq 100 showed strong internal strength with 76% of stocks advancing. The communication services sector displayed broad participation with nearly two-thirds of stocks moving higher, while healthcare showed weakness with declines outpacing advances. Looking at returns, the technology sector has outperformed this week with a 1.6% gain. The Nasdaq 100 and Composite are both up modestly week to date, while healthcare continues to struggle, down 0.4% for the week. Leading the Nasdaq 100 higher, global Foundries jumped 3.45 to 43.55, gaining 8.6%. Gilead Sciences surged 7.17 to 103.31, hitting a new all-time high with a 7.4% gain. Intel continued its upward momentum, rising 1.51 to 22.48, marking its third straight positive close. Looking at week-to-date returns, Intel leads the group with a 17.7% gain, followed by global Foundries up 13.3%. Gilead Sciences has advanced 7.6% this week, while Airbnb shows more modest gains at 4.1%. Among decliners, Biogen fell 5.96 to 133.43, setting a new all-time low for the second consecutive day. Diamondback Energy dropped 6.55 to 155.46, breaking down from recent flat trading. Synopsys declined 19.43 to 509.71, showing strong downward momentum. Looking at broader performance, Biogen leads declines for both the week and month, down 5.6% and 7.3% respectively. Marvell Technology and CoStar Group have also struggled, with week-to-date losses of 4.7% and 5.2%. Several Nasdaq ETFs are showing strong positive trends while experiencing short-term consolidation. The QQQ and TQQQ both closed slightly higher and have been moving sideways for 4 days. VGT and SMH declined modestly, with VGT marking its second consecutive down day. The SQQQ continues its very strong negative trend with 6 days of flat price action. Looking at returns, TQQQ leads the group with a week-to-date return of nearly 3% and a year-to-date gain of 7.7%. The SMH shows strength with a 2% month-to-date return. Meanwhile, the inverse SQQ reflects the market's upward bias, down almost 10% year-to-date with negative returns across all time frames.
Looking at stocks and tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms continues its remarkable run, closing up 5.58 to 725.38, marking its 18th consecutive upday and 15th straight all-time high. Apple gained 4.25 to 236.87, up 1.8%. Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet all declined, with Amazon dropping 1.6%. Looking at returns, Meta Platforms leads year-to-date with a 23.9% gain. Amazon shows a positive YTD return of 4.3%, while Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet are all negative for the year. Week-to-date, Apple shows the strongest performance with a 4.1% gain. YSA Technologies surged 14% to 1.30 amid strong upward volatility. Global Foundries gained 8.6% to 43.55, while Intel rose 7.2% to 22.48, marking its third consecutive up day. Synaptics added 5.2% to 71.79, though its price has been consolidating for 3 days. Intel leads the week-to-date returns at 17.7%, followed by Global Foundries at 13.3%. Month-to-date, Intel again leads with 15.7% gains, while Scantech AI and Synaptics show weakness, down 4% and 15.4% respectively. SSNC Technologies reached a new all-time high, gaining 1.38 to 88.9, showing upward volatility over the past 5 days. Okta led today's gains, rising 2.5% to 98.26, followed by Snowflake, up 2% to 187.23. Both display very strong positive trends. Year-to-date performance shows Okta leading with a 24.7% gain, followed by Snowflake at 21.3%. SSNC Technologies has gained 16.2%, while Trade Desk and Box show more modest returns of 4% and 11.1% respectively. Boeing led gains, rising 3.2% to 186.25. Dynatrace hit its third consecutive all-time high, up 1.6% to 62.42. Aptiv gained 1.2% to 65.45, showing upward volatility over 6 days. Nidec and Ambarella posted modest gains despite mixed trends. Month-to-date, Dynatrace leads with an 8.1% gain, while Boeing and Aptiv show gains of 5.5% and 4.9% respectively. Year-to-date, Dynatrace maintains its lead with a 14.8% return, followed by Aptiv at 8.2%. Thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed strength today. Industrial and logistics led the group, rising 59 cents to 27.66, gaining 2.2% with a strong upward trend. Both the Nasdaq AI and Robotics and AI and Technology ETFs demonstrated very strong positive trends after breaking out from consolidation periods. The Robotics and AI and Automation Bull-Twax ETF has shown impressive momentum, with a week-to-date return of 3.3% and a year-to-date gain of 12.5%. The AI and Technology ETF also performed well, with consistent positive daily returns across all measured timeframes. Electric vehicle stocks showed notable gains today. BYD surged 6.63 to 91.50, marking a new all-time high with a 7.8% increase. Lucid gained 18 cents to 2.87, up 6.6%. Li Auto broke out from consolidation, climbing 1.23 to 26.30 with a 4.9% gain. BYD continues to demonstrate remarkable strength with a month-to-date return of 30.6% and year-to-date gains of 34.6%. Li Auto maintains steady growth with a 12.3% month-to-date return, while Nikola shows high week-to-date volatility at 56.2%. Quantum computing stocks made significant moves today. D-Wave Quantum led with a 13.3% surge, rising 71 cents to 6.4. Rigetti Computing gained 73 cents to 11.75, up 6.6%. Quantum computing advanced 39 cents to 8.26, showing a 4.9% increase despite recent volatility. D-Wave Quantum shows steady progress with a week-to-date gain of 4%. However, most quantum computing stocks face challenges in 2024, with quantum computing down 50% year-to-date and Rigetti Computing showing a 23% decline. Solar stocks showed modest gains today. Ascent Solar Technologies advanced 7 cents to 2.15, up 3.3%. Canadian Solar rose 23 cents to 9.92, gaining 2.3%. SolarMax Technology continued its upward trend with a third consecutive positive close. SolarMax Technology stands out with a strong week-to-date return of 14.8%, while Nextracker maintains positive momentum year-to-date at 24%. Most other solar stocks face headwinds, with Maxion showing extended sideways movement over 24 days. Technology thematic ETFs showed strong performance today. The Global X Data Center, REITs, and Digital Infrastructure ETF led the group with an impressive gain of 1.25 to 15.55, surging 8.7%. The RK Innovation ETF rose 1.33 to 62.68, while First Trust Index 6 Innovative Transaction and Process reached a new all-time high. Looking at returns, the Global X Data Center, REITs, and Digital Infrastructure ETF shows consistent 8.7% returns across all time frames. The ARK FinTech Innovation ETF demonstrates strong year-to-date performance with a 14.4% total return, while the ARK Innovation ETF follows with a 10.4% gain for the year.
Thanks for watching. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.